So there's a difference of sewing a double versus a single threaded needle. A double thread is you take both sides coming out of the needle and you tie a knot in them. And that's really strong for buttons. That's what you want to use for buttons. But for a hem, we don't need all that extra thread. We want to do what's called single threaded. So this way you put your thread through the needle, but then you have a short end right here. Okay? And this is the long end. That's what's going to go through all the material. And then you put a knot on the end of that, just like there. Okay, you put a knot on the end of that long end. Now what the deal is you got this short end as mentioned, and you want to make sure that that does not come through the eye of the needle as you're working. So make that kind of long, make it at least 8 inches, let's say, 6 to 8 inches. And that way you've got your two ends here, but this one's much longer. That's what's going to go through the material. And the other one you're kind of just using to hold the thread in the needle. Now you want to pull your thread through very carefully because you don't want it to bunch up. So there we go. There's our knot at the end.